This morning all Ahmed is in a fog and it's really cold actually. I don't know what is the temperature at the moment, but I think about 24 degrees. But yeah, so that's not smoke, that's a fog. Since I was here in Ahmed, Melasti area, new things. There are a couple of gazebos now. There's one, there's another one and another one, and they put a sign. The sign now is here in a central part. Previously it was where the gazebo was. We decided to change the decorations for today, and we'll go to Kintamani, Bedugul area, just to get another strawberries. Starting today, the restrictions applies only to some areas which are more affected by this virus. First stop for today, Git Git waterfalls. They've been closed for a pretty long time. Now I hope they will be open. That's not the trail, it's like a pedestrian walk actually here. It's called Twin Waterfall. Pretty popular place. Everybody who's traveling to Bali definitely been here. It's on all the tourism maps. I don't know what to expect. I've seen probably some photos, but the best way to check anything is to do it on your own. We just visited 2 of the twin waterfalls, but there are many of them down there. So that's why, for example, 2 kilometers ago there was another sign, Git Git waterfall. So that means that was a different one. So this is the upper one, but probably there is another one as well. So let's check out another ones. Another one. Previously it was really popular place. Now it's been abandoned, like I said, already for more than a year, 1.5 years. Like you can see here, there is this hut and you can take a photo on the background. Now there is a big palm growing. It feels like it would be abandoned for many years already. Let's check out the bridge. Hopefully it's still okay. And I will not fall in the water. Looks like they made it to take photos. The bridge looks pretty suspicious. The nature taking everything back really fast. So what you got? You got some baskets for strawberry.
So it's one basket, approximately 2 kilos.
So you're planning a lot to pick up a lot.
We will see.
Yeah. Hello. Madness can start. The girl's going nuts now. They said I also have to pick up, otherwise they will not give me any to eat. Okay, no problem. The smell is incredible. We ended up with every one of us did 2 kilos, Laura did 2.5. We got charged strawberries. Electrically charged. I think it's a good moment to explain how we got here. Since there is a lockdown, the lockdown doesn't apply to all areas in Bali. For example, Ahmed, Bedugul. So we easily came from Ahmed to Bedugul. No one was stopping us on the road. We didn't see any police. Only the police was to coordinate all this traffic. And that's it. Nothing else. So we were able to freely come from Ahmed all the way to Bedugul without any problems, or pick up our strawberries, buy the veggies, and now then we are going back home. So a little bit of veggies, that's the last stop, and then going home. Let me finish on this sweet note. Thank you very much for watching. Thumbs up, follow, subscribe, and see you tomorrow again.